Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June the 25th, 2022. We're going to talk about Tron today and try to see if this cryptocurrency is ready to soar in price, because something happened over the last couple of days that I've noticed on the chart that I want to bring to your attention. So welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I come through and I do the price prediction without the confusion. I make sure that each and every one of us are able to tell with a simplistic form as to how the market is going to move and where it's going to go. So if you guys want to join the team, join the community, go ahead and hit that like button, and also subscribe here to the channel. Definitely want to take the opportunity to say thank you to all of the support that we've received on all the views that we have on our channel. Definitely want to say thank you to all of the day ones and those who value the content that I am creating, because I definitely want to give you all something to value, just not something for you all to click on and just give you some hype and some fun and some FOMO. I definitely want to show you that it's possible, that you can play this game and actually win. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about Tron real quick. June 15th was the last video that I've done in Tron. Let me go ahead and zoom in on this price chart because you all can see what really happened into the market, right? I was playing the weakness into the market in Tron, and obviously that has not happened. The market in Tron has maintained and held support right there at that nickel price. Now, I talked about that nickel price on the 15th of June. Like, I was letting you all know that we could possibly see the market in Tron hold that area, and that is exactly what it did. So for me to see the price in Tron not go down, I can't see that. I'm questioning and wondering why it didn't, because I already knew that the market support was coming in around a nickel. I mean, I zoomed out the chart and you all can see how important that nickel price was already in Tron. So hopefully you all saw that as an opportunity to come in and buy, because the market right now is around 6.5 cents. Yeah, it's up 1.5 pennies. But let's go ahead and talk, because I really want to show you how the market in Tron had fallen. Not too long after I did my video, we saw this day right here. We saw the conclusion of this day. This is monumental, right? The market in Tron on this particular day, which was on the 15th of June, it ended up closing at the high of the bar. Now, that spread of the bar is massively wide, for one, and two, the volume really came in, and it came in at a place to where we talked about the buyers need to come in and confirm price right there at that nickel location. So that's the only thing we need to know. The buyers came in at a nickel. So currently our mental idea needs to be that price in Tron is relatively strong, for one. And then two, we could possibly see the market in Tron continue to go up in price. So now we see that the confirmation was seen by the buyers at a nickel. We need to switch our mentality of it going down, talking about Tron, going down, to one of it going up in price, just because of that one day right there. Someone within the Tron community, or someone who values Tron, came in and bought a boatload of that currency around a nickel on the 15th. And you guys can tell, how do we know it's buying? Well, we know it's buying because look at the reactional moves since then. The market in Tron has not been going down at all. It's been trending higher. Okay, so what happened on these days? The 14th and the 15th of June resembles the buyers. So I did not get my last price prediction correct, for one. I'm here to show you those two as well. But I also want to show you, if I don't get it right, let me show you why I didn't get it right, and how you can learn how to traverse in the cryptocurrency space without wandering around, without guessing as to, okay, what do I need to do next? How the market ended in Tron on the 15th should have told us automatically from out the gate, cut the play. The market is not going to go down because of the volume came in and how the market closed on that particular day. So yeah, I didn't get it right. So if I were to get out the market now, that's around 25%. All right, cool, it happens. We don't push that hopium here on this particular channel. We don't want you all to come in and hold these currencies for the next 500 years and just say eventually we'll get it right. No, we want to play on the opportunity cost of money. We want to put the money to work, right? Money is created to go to work. And if it's not working, it's not doing you any benefit. So let's go ahead and get rid of that and let's talk. So now that's fantastic for one, for us to see the price in Tron come in and bounce off a nickel, because that gives us confirmation, like I told you all earlier. It tells us that the buyers came into the market in Tron there. And then secondly, you guys can see that the market has also traded above another support area, okay, which is right there around 5.5 cents. So the market in Tron is definitely fomenting and showing that it doesn't want to go down below a nickel. fantastic because you need that information. Let me show you all this too, because I want to give you all another perspective that shows us that the overall market in Tron is still relatively strong. Okay, you see this, right? This is on a monthly price chart, and the market in Tron is still trading above the overall trend. Okay, so let me get rid of that. You guys can see how the market in Tron is now trading. It tried to break below that long-term monthly ascending line, did it not? Yeah, just this month. It's trying to break below the overall trend, but so far the buyers is like, no, we're not going to take the price below this ascending line right now. So that's also confirmation that the demand or the interest in Tron, or that the buyers are coming in around a nickel. It's just that easy. It's not hard. So we got that in play as well. Okay. Look at Tron on the 3 months. You can see it even here on the 3 months chart. Now we got 5 days and 8 hours on this current 3 monthly price bar. But take a look. Look how strong the market came down to Tron, and the market currently is closing off of those lows. It's monumental. It's pretty good. It tells me that the community in Tron is definitely eyeing the opportunity to come in and buy this at a cheap price, which brought the market down to that ascending line. Again, 6 months chart. I'm here to tell you the charts don't lie. Since the market price in Tron is still trending on this long-term ascending line, we know that the opportunity to see price in Tron go up is still there. So let's do it. I suspect that the market in Tron is still trying to move up higher in price, and we're going to play that. So let me go ahead and put this on a chart, and we're going to look for the market in Tron to go up. And definitely, as long as it stays above a nickel, we're going to at least see the opportunity for the market to move higher, period. There's nothing for us to really worry about because the confirmation of the buyers came in around a nickel. Now, once we break a nickel, we know we need to cut the opportunity of it going up. We need to cut the play and play the weakness. So now let me go ahead and show you all where I think the nearest opportunity for us to take profitability is going to be. Okay, so let me put this on the 3-day chart, because our first opportunity to grab some profitability is going to be around 0.072. Okay, 0.072 is my first area that I will be willing to take some profitability out the market on this move. That gives us around 13% profitability in that round. My second is going to be here around 0.078 to 8 cents. Okay, that's my second one. That's 25% run up into the market in Tron. Now, nobody's going to talk about this right now. Everyone is still worried and questioning how low the market is going to go, when in fact, the market buyers have already determined that they're trying to come into the market and support Tron. It's just that easy. So I'm here. This is my newest price prediction into the market in Tron. This is the reason why I'm suspecting that the market in Tron is about to move up. It still has the ability to pursue higher prices. All right. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts, your perceptions about Tron, because I know they're going to try to play on that stablecoin that Justin Sun has in relation to Tron and how it may depeg from the dollar. But looking at the chart, it doesn't look like it's having a massive impact on it right now. Okay, so just giving you all a heads up. Let me know what you all think though. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.